Today we have a serious issue. COVID-19, fortunately for us, we are in a green zone. And this green zone has created an attraction for rest of the country. People from rest of the country to look and come here as a place to be safe. Ja area, maybe Delhi or other states which are not in green zone. And people who are in that area today, I am getting continuous news that they are trying to come into Goa. Our CM is coming on record and saying that we will take action against people who have illegally come in. And there are people involved. The Chief Minister comes on record and accepts that there are a lot of people who have come into Goa without a test. Is another scare that we have today where आयले लोक गेले खंय काय म्हणून. A Polem sort of a check post. The record as per the newspaper about 8,000 people coming in is huge. हांगा जे गोंयकार येवंक सोदता, वी आर हॅव्हिंग अ सिरियस कन्सर्न अबाउट अवर सीफेरर. तारवटी भाव जे आसात ते अजून येवपाक तांकां क्वॉरंटायन फॅसिलिटी, फ्री क्वॉरंटायन, बाकीच्यो ज्यो गजाली आमी उलयत आसात, ट्रायंग टू रिजॉल्व विथ द गव्हर्मेंट. We are still finding it difficult because of the type of quarantine beds, testing facilities and everything is available. तांकां कशें इजिली हाडपाचें, सेफ हाडपाचें आनी आमी दवरपाचें काय म्हणून. दुसरी जी आसा आर गोवन ओरिजिन पीपल हू आर स्टक अप इन डिफरंट पार्ट्स ऑफ द कंट्री who would like to come back. Lot of senior citizens, students, lot of them are there who are Goan stranded there. Third, are Goan stranded maybe in UAE and other countries wherein they have, and London, where they have lost jobs. There are लास्ट टायम सांगला तियात्रीस भाव जे एलिसन बी ते गेले ते थंय उरले, तांकां येवंक मेळना. They are filling their form, they are trying to find out and they need to come home, their families are waiting for them. And these are the people whom we need to get in. आज अशें जाल्लें आसा की the checkpost, I have to admit that the collector's offices are doing a good job, but it is within the limit to what they are doing it. My scare is the type of applications that are getting cleared are going through a tough time. एक मनीस जो गोंया येवंक सोदता goes through a harrowing experience की बेंगलोरच्यान सुटिल्ली सकाळी गाडी 4 2 पावता चॅकपोस्टार, 2च्यान ती रातची 9 पर्यंत रावता टू फिनीश फॉर्मेलिटीज. 9च्यान मागीर थ्रू फेजीस दे आर टेकन एंड केप्ट इन वन प्लेस और रेजिडेंसी खंयची तरी कलंगूट, म्हापसा खंयची तरी मेळटा तशी. एंड देन मॉर्निंग दे आर टेस्टेड, देन देअर इवनिंग रिपोर्ट कम्स, then that same evening or the next morning they are discharged, and when they are discharged they are told to clean their own bed sheets, पिळून सगळें दवर. I think these are traumatic experiences which do not have a proper SOP as far as the state is concerned. आणि हेच करता आसतना जे आमचे गोंयकार we are going through, we have a huge, I am alleging on this government and accusing them they are giving a backdoor entry to the who's who of the country to come here and stay. ज्यांचे कॉन्टॅक्ट आसा तांकां फाटलें दार दाखोवन तांकां भितर हाडपाचें सुरू जाल्लें आसा. ना जाल्यार तलाट्यांक नाल्यार BLO आतां घाल and tell them to do a survey and tell them which houses were closed during the last survey and now how many people are there. There are so many people who have come into Goa who are not there. आता ट्रेन आयच्यान अनाउन्स केल्या की दिल्ली टू मडगांव ट्रेन येता म्हणून. आय वूड लायक टू नो ऑन वॉट बेज the government of Goa has allowed the train from Delhi to come into Margaon. आणि आमचे असे कितले लोक दिल्ली आसा ते दिल्लीच्यान मडगांव येवंक सोदतात. Secondly, what is the check mechanism that the people who are coming into Madgaon from Delhi are being noted and are being announced that these are our people of Goan origin who have come? I think things somewhere are not being clear. Clarity is not there, and this non-clarity can lead to a lot of problems for us Goans who are going through a harrowing time. आज आमची इकॉनॉमी डाऊन आसा, आज आमचे कडेन जॉब ना, आमचे जॉब वचपाक लागले लोकांचे, आज धंदे बंद जावपाक लागले, सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयमेंट ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीज आर क्लोज डावन. आनी एट दीस टायम द इकॉनॉमीक वेज लोकांचे शीत पेज कशें करून आमी दीस काडपाचें काय म्हणून. बट गोवन्स हॅव participated in the lockdown called by the Prime Minister with only one motive, that we remain safe and we remain at home. As a MLA or elected representative, I have made my part to ensure that our people stay safe. आपण ही सगळे करता आसतना ही निष्काळजीपणा कित्याक? एक वाटेन तुम्ही 10वी 12वीची एक्झाम मागयल्या विच इज हॅव्हिंग अ रिस्पॉन्स विच इज व्हेरी क्रिटिकल when COVID is growing. The growth rate is doubled, and the scare is that in the next 15 days are very sensitive because the curve has not flattened. तातून 21-22 तारखेक तुम्ही 10वीची आणि 12वीची एक्झाम अनाउन्स करतात. Whether these exams are already having certification from the MHA and MHRD to have these particular exams, हो पयलो प्रश्न पडटा. आणि हो इतलो स्टबर्ननेस कित्याक की आपल्याक ही एक्झाम घेवपा जाय, 10-15 दीस वयर सकयल केल्यार फरक पडचो ना. कारण हे शेवटी भुरग्याच्या आयुश्याचे आनी आरोग्याचो प्रश्न आसा विच कॅन बी एनदर सीड फॉर देम टू कम इन टू एज फार एज COVID-19 इज कन्सर्न. My accusation is directly on this government that they are not having any system operating procedure, neither a clarity when they are opening the trains from Delhi to Margao. We have asked for the planes to come with travel bubbles. What is a travel bubble? Travel bubble is a person who is from a green zone wanting to travel into a green zone. We are looking at those type of things. But you are allowing anybody and everybody who are not Goans also to travel, then that is a concern. गोंयकार जे सोदतात तांकां वाटो काडप. Definitely we'll have to find ways to see that there are people at home ते कोण काळजेन अर्दे जाल्ले आसा, डिप्रेशनान गेल्ले आसा, तांचो विशय सॉर्ट आउट करपाक आनी त्या भुरग्यांचो विशय सॉर्ट आउट करपाक. बट पीपल हू आर नॉट ऑफ गोवन origin or who have not stayed in Goa, not been staying in Goa, but are finding to a place to come and find a solace in Goa because of COVID-19 in other states, I think that is not acceptable, and the Chief Minister has to be very clear and stern on this. Next few days will be wait and watch. My allegations are clearly on this government of giving backdoor entry to non-Goans to make them who have enough connect to come here and stay safe in the name of medical, in the name of business, in the name of investments, in the name of many things other than being a Goan. So I think the clarity from the government, Chief Minister needs to speak out and tell what he is going to allow and what he is not. This is creating a lot of hue and cry. लोक भिल्ले आसात आनी जे घरा राविल्ले आसा इतले डेस्परेशनान ते जे फ्रस्ट्रेट जाले आनी आतां भायर सरूंक सोदतात ते भयान जाल्या की आमी इतले दीस घरा रावले कोविड स्प्रेड जावचो न्हय म्हणून आनी आतां तुमी असले समज कायद्यानुसार करतले जाल्यार गोंयकार कितें करतलो काय म्हणून. लेट अस आवर प्रायोरिटीज बी ऑन ऑफ सी फेरर्स. तारवटी भावांचेर प्रायोरिटी आसूनी आमचे जे लोक भायर अडकल्या लंडन जावं UAE जावं बाकीच्या कंट्रीजींनी तांकां हाडपाची प्रायोरिटी आसूनी जी प्रायोरिटी आज पर्यंत सरकारा कडेन रिपॅट्रिशन फ्लायट्सान सुद्दां दिश्टी पडना ह्या आमच्या सरकाराची थंय आसूनी. गोवन्स हू आर स्टँडर्ड आउटसायड गोवा नीड टू कम बॅक इन टू गोवा तांचेर आसूनी ह्या हांचें समज केलें जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता वी आर एबल टू मेंटेन आवर ग्रीन झोन. ना जाल्यार जें दावणगिरीन जालां जें भटकल जालां टर्निंग ग्रीन इंटू रेड विल नॉट टेक टायम एंड इफ दॅट हॅपन्स ताजे इतली वायट गोश्ट जावची ना. तातूंतल्यान आमकां इतली हानिकारक जातली की येता ते दीस गोंयांक जसो देवान वाचयल्लो आसा तो गोंयचो साहेब म्हूण देवळां म्हूण नाल्यार मस्जीद म्हूण सगळ्या देवांनी मेळून आज आमकां गोंयकारांक वाचयल्लो आसा. ती वाचोवणी आमी आज इतले पर्यंत पार्टिसिपेट समज केल्या. इट इज आवर ड्युटी टू एन्श्युअर दॅट वी रिमेन सेफ एंड वी रिमेन होम and only maintain social distance and precautions which are required. आणि हे सगळे करता आसतना इतले दीस if the government takes this type of channel, I think we will only be the sufferers in the long run. So ती 10वी-12वीची आसूं exam ना जाल्यार लॉकडावनाचो इश्यू आसूं which we have gone through, and the last part where non-Goans are being given entry through these areas that need to be checked. There are also allegations that at checkposts there are exchange of money to come into Goa for people who are non-Goans. I think the Chief Minister needs to seriously investigate and show action and also find out where these people who have come in illegally are. Either a simple seed can create a tree. जाल्यार हांगाच्यान कोविडाची जे बी कोण समज घेवन भितर आयला त्या एरियेन झाड तयार करप आनी कोरोना स्प्रेड करप वेळ लागचो ना. आमी ही जबाबदारी चीफ मिनिस्टरान घेवची आनी इमिजिएटली एक्ट करचो. ना जाल्यार ही इज कनायविंग टू एन्श्युअर टू प्लीज हीज हायर अप्स by keeping Goa as a place for people who are VIPs or VVIPs to come here and be safe. That might be his backdoor if he does not act on this. This is what I have to say, and I would call upon the Chief Minister to note what we have said and act upon it.